gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. Okay, honorable for our lectures. Thanks for this opportunity that's given for me. Thanks for the audience for coming today. My name is Zeki Andani. I'm going to tell you about improving students' ability in writing procedure text using Realia. Why I choose this topic? Because as a teacher, especially English teacher, we have to know and select what strategies can improve students' writing ability, especially in writing procedure text. And the reason is many students cannot express their idea with well, and many students cannot lack of vocabulary and still lack of knowledge about procedure text based on the generic structure. Okay, in this case, I will explain you about 3 keywords. The first one is writing. Next, writing is a process of expressing idea, thought, and feeling on same experience. It means that we are free to express everything on our mind. Feeling and experience have to clearly and efficient. So, as English learners, students are expected to be able to express their idea, thought, and feeling in writing form. And the second one is procedure text. Procedure text is a text describe how to make or how to do something. The generic structure of procedure text, the first one is the goal. The goal is something to achieve. For example, if you want to make a cup of tea, so the goal is how to make a cup of tea or making a cup of tea. And the second one is the material. Material is something that we need. For example, if you want to make a cup of tea, so what is the material that we need? For example, tea, saucer, cup, teapot, and etc. And the last one is step. Step is the way or the process how to make or how to do something. For example, if you want to make a cup of tea, what will you do from the first until the end of the process? And then last one is learning feature. Learning feature of procedure text is simple present. Simple present is used for the condition or situation that always exists habitually in the now or present. And the second one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a statement asking someone to do something. For example, boil the water, fry the egg, please, and then etc. Okay. The next one is realia. Realia is an actual object and items which are brought into a classroom as an aid and as example to be taught and written about and used in teaching. The example of realia are the objects such as tool, coin, and textile that don't easily fit into the otherly categories of printed material. And the next, how to apply this media. For example, the first one is teacher prepare the realia that will be used in the teaching learning process. For example, teacher explain how to make a cup of tea, and then teacher explain the realia with the students. For example, where's the teapot, where's the tea, cup, saucer, and all of the material is complete. And next, teacher explain the procedure text. For example, generic structure, social function, and language feature of procedure text. And the next, teacher point one of students help his or her in practicing how to make a cup of tea, and then the other students can understand it clearly. And then teacher asks students to make a group. One group consists 1, 4, or 5 students. And then teacher asks students to practice the procedure text with the title about how to make a cup of tea, and then teacher asks students to write a good paragraph based on the topic that's given by the teacher, how to make a cup of tea, and the last, teacher asks students to collect their students' paper. In teaching writing procedure text, the teacher can use a realia as an effective aid to make easy in understanding the example of procedure text. By showing the realia, students can understand the kind of realia that practice, so they remember easily to find out the goal, material, and also write it easily. Okay, I conclude that with using this realia, it can improve students' writing ability, especially in writing procedure text. Make sure before you ask your students to write a good paragraph, especially in writing procedure text, make sure your students have learned about simple present and imperative sentence. Because of what the language feature of procedure text are imperative sentence and simple present. I hope with this realia, it can help you as a teacher, especially English teacher, in to choose the best media. It can help you in teaching writing ability, especially in writing procedure text. Okay, I think that's all for our today. Thanks for your attention. Let's say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.